Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in Razer DeathAdder V2. And to do this, first we'll need to open a battery slot on our mouse, and you can do this by looking on the back right here. There's the gap. Use your fingernail or something thin to open it, just like that. Now inside there's two battery slots, one AA and one AAA, and let's just connect two of them. You can try to go with one battery inserted, and the mouse probably will work fine, but just for the sake I'm gonna connect both of the batteries. Okay, so they're sitting nicely, and we can close the hatch, and now the mouse should work fine. It will be also a bit heavier because we have two different batteries inserted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.